We're going to see what we got. We got Tiny Tim, we got Red Hulk. I forget if I named him Red Hulk. And we got... was the 25th.
Hello and welcome to my channel, Boo Snakes and More. For more videos like this, also watch my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff, my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Today we're going to be talking about Illinois and the katydids and the killer wasp. So let's dive in. Katydids emerging from the ground. Then we've seen this summer, Illinois will see the largest number of katydids emerging from the ground that we've seen in the last 221 years. But along with these broods comes another terrifying creature, the katydid killer wasp, the biggest wasp in the world. I have an irrational fear of flying, stinging insects, and I would never forget the first time I saw one of these terrifying insects buzzing around my yard several years ago. After screaming and running full speed into the safety of my house, I immediately Googled the words, "What is the biggest wasp in the world?" The answer was a katydid killer wasp. The name alone is terrifying. After looking at pictures of this horrifyingly huge wasp, I could confirm that the demon flying in my yard was in fact a katydid killer wasp, and then I worried I would be the next to die. Good news, I'm still alive, and the katydid killer wasp isn't as scary as it looks or sounds. What is a katydid killer wasp? In short, katydid killer wasp, aka katydid hawks, or sand hornets, even though they are not a hornet at all, are a large digger wasp that hunts katydids and makes their nest in the ground near them. These wasps can grow up to 2 inches long, making them the largest ones found in North America. But only the female katydid killers have stingers. Is that supposed to be good news? One pest solution website says despite their size and name, katydid killers aren't as aggressive as other types of wasps. They only rarely sting humans and pets when they feel threatened. It might not seem like it, but katydid killer wasps are actually a good thing to have in your yard, especially when about 1 trillion katydids are getting ready to invade Illinois. Wikipedia says katydid killers extract a measure of nocturnal control on katydid populations, and as such, they may directly benefit the deciduous trees upon which the katydids feed. How to naturally get rid of katydid killer wasps? Katydid killer wasps may be beneficial for keeping an epic number of katydids out of your neighborhood this summer, but they can make a big mess of your yard with all their nest digging. So is there a way to get rid of them? Yes. Get some boiling water. Once you have located a katydid killer nest in your yard, pass close attention to flower beds and the edges of docks / sidewalks / driveways. Here's what you need to do according to DIYPestControl.com. Pour boiling water down any katydid killer holes that you have marked. Cover these holes with a glass bowl so the wasps cannot escape. In the morning, go out and check your traps. If the wasps were not killed by the boiling water, they will be trapped in the bowl and eventually suffocate. It's important to remember that katydid killers leave the nest during the day, so in order for your DIY eradication process to be successful, you need to wait until nightfall to pour the boiling water. Good luck, my friends, and watch your steps this summer. Thank you for watching this video, and peace out till the next one.